Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to work with widgets and especially how to customize the sidebars, all the widget areas in your WordPress website. So if you have not watched from lesson 1, I will advise that you watch from lesson 1. Check on the channel you see from lesson 1 before you get to this point, because this lesson is actually progressive. So at the end of today's video, you'll be able to know how to work with widgets on all the widgetable sites on your WordPress website. Now, if today is the very first time of you watching me, please subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification so that anytime I upload a new content, you'll be the very first to know. And remember, there is something I like saying: when you grow, we grow. So if you are ready, let's do it.
So guys, find your way to WordPress login panels. Supply your username and password, click login. It will take you to this page. This is the WordPress dashboard. Now go to appearance. Under appearance, you scroll down to where you have the widget. So click on the widget. It will take you to this other page. This page actually shows you the widgetable area as far as this particular template that I'm using for this demonstration is concerned. So okay, I think I will close that. So you can see this shows you all the widgetable areas, all the areas you can work with widget. The first one is the right sidebar, the left sidebar, the header sidebar, the front page slider area, front page area beside slider. This is the content top section, front page, content middle, another one, content middle right, content bottom, contact page sidebar, error 404, advertisement above the footer, footer sidebar 1, footer sidebar 1, 2, and footer sidebar 3 to 4. And then you also have inactive widgets that are here. So all this one shows you all the areas you can actually work with widgets. For instance, if I open this particular site that we've been working on, if you want to look at the right sidebar, for instance, it is this part. This section is the right sidebar. This section from top to bottom. Then if you want to see the left sidebar, is actually the left, this side of it, the left side of the screen, although this template doesn't have that. So the header sidebar is actually the header part somewhere right here. That is where the header sidebar is. The slider area, the front page slider area, is like the hero section, the area beside the slider, still on the front page. You will see that it is actually somewhere here. Every other part, so this template is divided in sections. This is what applies to all WordPress templates, like I said. So let's start by customizing the right sidebar. So these are some of the widgets that are there, and they are here: recent posts and recent comments. And you can see the search post right there. I want to remove that. I want to take that out because I don't want them to be there. I want to put something else. But first of all, if you click the plus button below, here I want to work with legacy widget for now. So if you click on it, it opens up to this page. You click on the select widget drop down, highlighted posts. Okay, so you can actually select the number of posts and you select the category, like so. I think I want to show from a category. You can actually show from post, from tag, or from the author. So when you click on it, it will ask you to select the specific category you want to use. In this case, I'm using the oral category. I think 4 is okay for me. So once done, click update, just as is the case when you are customizing any template. So if you refresh this page, you see that particular widget is here, right here. This is the one we just activated now on the right side bar. If you go back to this page, and then I want to add another widget, so just go back to legacy widget there, or well, let me add image for now. So I can choose to upload or use media library. In this case, I'm using the media library. So I will select any image here. This particular one is okay, and then click on select. Once you click on select, the image comes right in on that widget. Then you update. Now if you go back to the website and refresh it, you can see that image sitting right here. You can use it for adverts, for placements, to promote a post, and all manner of things with this particular widget. So this is how the sidebar looks and all of them. So I think I want to take out the recent posts and the recent comments, so I can shift the one I just activated in there. So you go back to the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard, and scroll all the way to where the widgets are. In this case, recent post. If you click on it, click on that 3 button and all the way down, remove heading. And that's it. This is how you take out a widget. Ditto this particular section and remove group, and that is out. So you can actually remove the placeholder like so. Even this recent comment, I don't like it, I will remove it as well. So click on it, click on the 3 buttons to the right side and click remove heading, and it's gone. So you delete everything. Once done, you click on save. I will leave the search bar right there. So if I refresh, you see all this, all that I deleted, they are all gone. I left with these 2 widgets that I did earlier, the highlighted post and the picture. I think we need to add another one because there's still space on the right sidebar. So this depends on how many widgets you want to do. So click on the plus, the same method. This time I want to browse through the list of all the widgets available. These are the default WordPress widget that comes here. So I want to add calendar. Just click on calendar and click update. Is that easy? So once you go back to the website and refresh the page, you can see the calendar is very well inserted. It's sitting pretty nicely right there. So you can see our website is taking shape once we've started customizing the right sidebar. So we still have space below, so we'll still add more widgets. So we go right back, scroll it down, click on the plus button. Each time I want to add okay, let me check browse all, see whatever widget you want to add from here. I'm actually looking for maybe a video. Okay, right there, that's the video widget. So if I click on it, you can actually upload or use from the media library, but I want to insert from URL. So if you click on it, get the URL of the video you want to paste. In this case, I've gotten the URL. It's for me to just paste it. Once you've pasted it, the small arrow that is pointing to the URL, just click on it for it to apply like so. Once you click on apply, the video will load and you click on update. Voila, that's it right there. Now if you go back to our website and refresh, there sits the video, nicely done. So you can actually add videos on the WordPress using this particular widget. Okay, so you can decide to add it anywhere. So we still have space below. So go back to WordPress dashboard, the widget end of things under appearance, scroll down and still click on the plus button. So let's see what we'll be able to add again. I think I'll browse all again and then scroll all the way down to see what I'm going to put right there. So you have a whole lot of category list, a list of categories. I think you also have latest posts. You have latest comments, but in this case, I think I will add latest posts to display latest posts. Once I click on it, it comes alive, but I will still need to update it. So that is how it will look. This is how it will look. This is where it is, but I don't like it that way. So I will just click on the 3 dots and remove latest post, just like so. By doing what I'm doing, you have learned how to activate widgets and how to delete as well. So we go back. I want to add something else in that particular position. So I'll scroll down to the particular widget I want to use right there. I think I will use maybe category list in this case. Okay, so we click on it, the category list will come alive just like so. And you click update, and then if you go back to refresh the website, you see that the category list is up there. Ignore that empty space, the video sits there. So sometimes it takes a while for the video to load depending on the load time of your website. So we go back to add yet another widget like so. I'm scrolling down to see the particular widget I want to use. Okay, maybe gallery, where I'll display images. So you can choose from a media library like I'm gonna do right here. So you can actually upload. So click on media library. These are the images I already have on file. Select as many images you want to use, as many photos. I think I will use 6, so I will add 1 to these ones I've selected to be 6. So create a new gallery and then click on insert gallery. Once that is done, you can see all the images you selected is used to create a new gallery at the sidebar ends. Just click update and then go to your website and refresh, you can see that the new gallery we just created with the images we selected is just has just come alive right here like that. So it's pretty easy. There's still space down. So this is one thing that some themes offers you a whole lot of space to do stuff. So take time out, and I can actually add yet another. So you follow the same process. I can add meta to show the site meta. So on the title end, I will just type site meta right there. So once I click on update, the meta widget will come alive. So if you go to the WordPress the website end and refresh it, you can see the meta widget coming alive. So I wanted to tell you that these particular sections, these divisions on this template is specific to these templates, to this theme. Other themes have different things, but the principle is the same. So if you watch up to this point, congratulations on achieving this one. See you in the next video. Bye for now.